can we live in such a place for 5 seconds also? Not possible, because it has dirty water, it has smell, it has a lot of mosquitoes and infections around surroundings. We are making a house for her, which is definitely a sustainable project. Her husband has passed away due to cancer, and she had spent 15 lakh taka for her treatment, and she doesn't have anything left. So we are making the house, and we are also going to give her a sewing machine, because she knows how to stitch clothes, so that she can stitch clothes, sell it, and then earn and live the life and send the kids to school.
বন্যায় আমার ঘরের বাড়ি চলে গেছে। এই আইসিটি থেকে নাইমা আপু সোয়াইব ভাই আসে আমারে দেখে, আমার অবস্থা দেখে ঘর দিয়েছে, আমার একটা সিলাই মেশিন দিয়েছে কর্ম করে খাওয়ার জন্য। এদেরকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাইতেছি।